इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj, to start our day, our webinar with a lovely motivational message. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. We welcome you to the 1010th edition of Business Opportunity Chai webinar series. Franchise India, the brand which was established in 1999, helping all the investors selecting their dream brands from us. We give franchising solutions to each or potential business buyers. We cater brands coming from education, service, retail, etc. vertical, and they are expanding their business with our 70 plus offices. We welcome our management team, and this particular webinar is hosted by Mr. Maria and Ms. Sonia Chaudhary. During the course of action, they'll be sharing their insights, suggestions about the industry. The brand of the day is Greenway Interior, the brand which was established in 2013, enjoying the legacy of 17 years. It's a Bangalore-based full-service creative architect and interior designing company. They provide end-to-end services for all your home and furnishing solutions. We welcome Mr. Basudev Singh, who enjoys 15 years of experience. He has worked in IT companies and today is offering his unit and multi-unit business model for each one of us. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for joining us today. We would like you to share your screen as well as your PPT so that we can go through your business proposal. Thank you so much. So we would request you to unmute yourself. You are on mute button.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Sonia. So, thanks, Archana, for giving this opportunity to talk about our company. So, this company basically we started because of there is a poor services in this particular field, and we encounter there is a lot of issues over there where any customer, either they are there in the residential base or into the commercial base, they were finding the difficulties to fulfill their need on their particular budget. So there was a lot of analysis, what we have done it, a lot of people we have talked, and then we have started this company. So as we are basically there into the three verticals. The one is the interior, as well as we do the construction, as well as we are there into the training. So the trading, we are as well the manufacturer, as also we are the distributor and dealers on the many projects. Uh, so this is how our journey has been started, and we set up the company in Bangalore. The address is the Kollu Whitefield, where we have the 2 acre of the land, where in the 1 acre we are having the complete setup of the showroom, as well as in another 1 acre we have the complete manufacturing unit, the modular factory, the sofa factory, and the fabrications and the wooden furnitures. So all those things, what we are supplying it from here. And we also do supply to some of our vendors. Also directly we deal with the multiple customers. Uh, after talking a while with the people and with the franchise India, we have come with the conclusion like we'll be starting it up the new brand where we can give the complete profile to the another people, another entrepreneur who would like to set up their journey, and they should enjoy, they should have the marketing support, they should have the technical support, they should have the management support. So with minimal number of the experience, they can start their business. Uh, we are the three people, myself, Basudev Singh, as well as the Bhavna Singh and the Salan Tiwari. We three people are managing all three companies, all three verticals. And as I have already spoken, like we are having the one unit in the Whitefield. Uh, the motto and the objective for the end customer, as we have spoken about, the paying the more money, or they are spending the more time for their home interior or any kind of the work, either into the construction side or into the interior side, what they're doing it. We did the analysis. We talked to the many people, what they said, the 72 hours minimum, if they are going to design their home, they are investing the time. Either they wanted to select the laminates, or they wanted to select the tiles, or etc. There is a lot of things will be there, or they are deciding about like what material they are going to be used, and whether the what is the life of the material. So that is basically taken us to decide this integrated model, where we are having the complete setup of the architects, we are having the setup of interior designer, as well as we have the own products. So when the customer will be coming, they can at least touch and feel, and then they can decide on their products. Uh, the interior design company, the market has given them the minimum of the 10% of the profit margin. But here, if you'll see in the market, there's a lot of vendors, a lot of different deals, what they're doing it. The reason behind the particular model, particular brand name was, since we are dealing with the complete the green products, example like a plywood and the laminates which has been manufactured, and the many more items which is there. So that's the reason. Uh, Due to, I was thinking, and our thought was like to have the environment friendly the work as well as the products what we are using it. So that's the reason we have taken a name as a Greenway Interior. I'll talk a bit about, I think so, about myself. I'm having the 15 years of experience in the IT industry. The couple of companies which I have worked, I mean, I was not a very much hopper, so I just stick to the two company, and I spent the 15 years. And once my network has been grown, I thought to do something myself to become the entrepreneur, and let's take a challenge of the new era, what we are going to do that. So we started the work, and I was the designer and I'm the architect. So that also has given me the good interest to uh, put this company in the different heights. Mrs. Bhavna is having the 10 year of experience, and she is the basically managing the space planning, space management. She is having a very vast knowledge on the Utco furniture, what is the another brand, what we are having it. She's having the very vast knowledge on designing the space and the decor products. Mr. Salim Tiwari is has joined us. He is a very good experience. He's having the 15 year of experience in the construction industry. He has headed earlier the multiple infrastructure and the building projects. That is either belongs to uh, the government sector or the private sector. Salen, well respected in the building industry, demonstrated through the strong relationship. Salen quickly advanced to the greater responsibility across the multiple roles, attending a strong foundation in the construction company. Uh, he is leading the complete construction company. He is the CEO in that company.
Mr. Basudev, I'll request you come closer to the audio. We're missing you in between.
Okay. Is that fine, Sonia? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, better Basudev. Yeah.
Okay. So I think my volume was less. Sorry for that. Let me just take it forward. So this is the ideal franchises. The profile is uh, the number one, which has been here, the professionals from the construction, home decor, furniture industry, willing to invest in the lucrative venture. So here I would just like to say that any professional, any persons who is having some knowledge on the either the interior designing part or the furniture industry or the home decor, or if they are into the tiling or they are the architects, that those professionals literally they can start with the particular the franchises model. Creative professional with the sound financial capabilities and the commercial office space. Like there is a professionals we find around us who is very sound with the financial capabilities. So we can also help them to create their the management and how we can set up their marketing strategy. We can set up their maintenance team. All those things, what we can do that. Sound financial backup with a willingness to invest for the business growth and the local investor who is looking for the lucrative venture to invest. Those are the people will be invited, or they can literally they can take up this particular the franchises model. Uh, as I said, like we did a lot of analysis, and here is our some client testimonials. The people has given the wow factor when we have done the services with them. As I said, like even I was the interior designer, so probably one place you'll find my name as well. I am just reading one of them as Green Day Interior is absolutely amazing. I had no idea where to start with the design and the decor. Mr. Basu helped with the design and decor. His team were amazed at the work, start from the finish, uh, start to the finish. He knows exactly what the customer wants. Thank to Mr. Basu for his good work. So basically, as I spoken earlier, like we need to give the complete focus on the customer need, and that only will be talking and will be giving the training to the franchises who will be joining with us, joining the hand with us. So, and also, as I said, the marketing support which will be giving to them. So these are the some client testimonials. This market snapshot, so probably the Archana will be taking from here, and she will be explaining about the market snapshot for that. Uh, Archana, over to you.
Are we done with the, sir? I would request
No, sir, we'll
you go
directly
through the
move.
entire
Yeah.
presentation before we take on to the question and answers.
So we'll move to the financial model, and then we'll take all your queries.
Okay, okay. Okay, so probably the Archana will be taking care about the, and this is the franchises, the business, the proposal which we are having. So as at present, what we are having, as I said, like 1 acre, in the 1 acre, what we have spread it, our the franchise, I mean the showrooms, and another acre is having for the manufacturing unit. So we decided after meeting with Aswin, Archana, and the team about like minimum area required in the square feet is 8,500, and there is a phases wise detail which we'll be sharing very shortly, and approx investment is the 81 lakhs, that is except the particular the building and the other stuff and the land area. And the franchise fee is 5 lakhs, and average ROI 49%. Why this ROI? I just would like to take some time here. Like ROI 49%, it's looks awesome, and I'll just say like why. Here, what is happening? Like earlier, like many interior designers, many architects were they were just doing the interior work. So when they go to purchase the particular products on that particular time, any vendors, so minimum margin what they used to take. So that 10% of the margin or 15% of the margin, like any or every interior designer or every interior design company has to pay for that. Since we are the manufacturer in the many products, also we are the distributor of the some of the products. So we decided to whoever will be our the franchises, they will be getting all the products, all the items, whatever is being needed for designing their home, for the constructing their home, or whatever the need will be there, that we will be giving them in the 5% of the profit margin. So whatever the landing cost were there, on that 5%, we'll just add it and we'll give it to them. Also, since we are completely buying into the bulk quantity, so our rate of buying also will be 10% lesser than the other vendors, or 5% lesser than the other vendors. That depends product to products. That is the one thing, like why the people or any the company will take the franchises from us. That's what it is showing, like the ROI in the 5 year, the 49%. The payback period, again, 2 year, 9 months, which we have calculated, whatever the investment, what we are doing it, that the payback period will be there in the 2 year, 5 months. Uh, so, Archana, would you like to take it up?
Thank you, Mr. Basu. I think a good presentation. We'll go into a little bit of explaining the opportunity to our audience, because I think we ran through presentation. If we stay on the business model, if you want to go into the business model in terms of the the investment, what you're saying is that the total area required is 8,500 square feet, and approximate investment is 81 lakh rupees. You want to break up this 81 lakh rupees? What goes into the breakup of 81 lakh rupees?
Uh, Here we have divided into the three phases. We'll have to start with the interior design, decor, and the lights. So there is a three, four the showrooms which will be making it along with the architect team as well as the interior design team. So in the three phases, what we have decided to have that particular investment.
नहीं उसमें जो ब्रेकअप है मिस्टर असू इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट 81,000 रुपीज 5 लाख रुपीज इज फ्रेंचाइज फीस कितना इंटीरियर्स पे जाता है कॉस्ट कितना स्टॉक पे जाता है व्हाट इज द ब्रेकअप ऑफ दैट
Uh, See, there is a in the percentage wise, if I'll tell you, there is almost the 60% amount it goes into the modeling the particular place. Like we'll have to buy the some samples and we have displayed those samples, and and almost the 40% it goes to designing the interior part.
Sure. So for our audience, it's actually a display showroom which would have all the display and all the samples which are available from the company. Some samples would be given by the companies, some samples they have to procure, and the rest of the money goes into the interior and decor. Am my assessment is Mr. Basu right?
Right, Mr. Arya.
Yes. So that's an assessment. So this is a very interesting concept they're doing. This is a kind of an interior supermarket. So interior supermarket means that everything which you need in your home interiors, you will get into that supermarket. Everything, whatever is required from your decor to wallpaper to lighting to any of the things which you require is all available in that thing. So they come with a lot of experience in this. The total investment is so as a customer, I can walk in, I can see different materials, different possibilities, because the whole industry of building construction has a vast categories. You know, today for everything there is a multiple suppliers, multiple options. You know, how you want to use your wall coverings, how you want to use your floor coverings, how you want to do your ceilings, how you want to do your lighting. Lighting options are multiple there, and all the other solutions also which are required in home interiors. It can be SS fittings, a lot of these smaller. And we will go back to Mr. Basu to understand core categories and what are the relationships he enjoys with some of the key suppliers available in that. So, Mr. Basu, I would like to understand that core categories for you. Now, let's go category by category. And if you can revive that, what are the main, say, 5 or 6 core category and what are the subcategories available in this business?
So the first which I'll tell you about the interior design office, where the first time the customer will be just walking into that, and there the people will have it who will be just giving the people to like what the design would be, what the product has to be selected, and they will just introduce with the interior designer or they will introduce with the architects. And let's say if, example, if they'll be going for the interior designing concept, so there is an interior design hardware, there is a showrooms will be there. So interior design hardware showrooms will have all the facility about the kitchens. There will have the wardrobes and all the accessories will be displayed over there. So this is the one part. And the second part, again, interior design team will be explaining about the space management, and then they will take it to them to the decor showrooms. In the decor showrooms, we'll have the lot of artifacts. Again, that is the showrooms where the people can see their what the artifacts can be used for my home interior. And then there will be a light showrooms where the people can choose their lights and other parts, either the decorative lights, and as you said, like there will be a multiple the lights options will be there. So this is a huge area where the people can spend the time and then they can see the proper lighting and all.
Sure. So again, going back to our audience and giving the perspective, you know, the problem area which Mr. Basu is trying to solve, if you see that home interior, currently how our audience needs to go through. So typically, if you really see today, if you want to do your home interiors, there are many functions of this. It can be a lot of things which you want for your flooring, ceiling, you know, wall covering. So you'll have to go to a different market, different kind of brands available. Then you have to go to another market, because India, the bazaars are set for different categories. There should be a bazaar which only does the light fitting. So you have to then move to a light fitting. Then you have to move to somebody else. Then you have to move to somebody else. So typically a person, even if doing a 2-bedroom house, to do that, he needs to go to a 4 or 5 different markets to procure that. And they don't synchronize, so you're buying everything in isolation. This is not a symmetry. Now people want a theme for their home. They want a full structure from home. Now what Mr. Basu has created a solution is that you walk into the full, the showroom. You first go to the design section. Design section is assisted by architects. These architects are full-time available. They would understand what your requirement is, understand your planning, understand your budget, and through budget, they would start putting up things with you. And then you have a lot of other everything available on the display. Because sometimes what happens, architect gives you design and theme, but how do you do the sourcing? Then you get into difficulty of sourcing. So this is a complete combination of helping you from a design and actually from a sourcing for your home, and even implementation of that. So it's integrated from design, sourcing to implement. The entire integration is done from a single house. So it's like a home interior mall. You go to this mall, from getting your things designed, for getting your solutions depending on your budget, selection different materials, and getting the prototype great, so you know what you're going to get eventually, and then everything being executed to you. So, Basu, which are the key markets which you think that opportunities? While India is a big market, but 2 or 3 markets where you really want to focus and want to go there. And also my question is, because this might be new for some people. They might have the property, but they don't know how to operate it, because you yourself come with the experience and you have a good team which has experience. Would you be also open for a franchisee owned and company operated kind of a model?
Yeah, we are fine with that. Mr. Arya, here majorly the focus as of now, and after seeing this particular market, the residential is the very big opportunity, at least which I can see in the Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Right. I mean, the residential market.
Yeah, residential market in Bangalore and Hyderabad is at a peak, and there is so much going on in that. They're all premium market. This is anything which is as base as 50-60 lakh rupees to goes to about 6-7 crores kind of a bracket, and there's a lot of supply. I mean, just to give our audience, between Bangalore and Hyderabad alone, there will be about 80,000 apartments been delivered in a single year. So there is 80,000 people who are going to, I'm not talking about home furnishing, people who already have homes, they want to refurbish, redecor and things like that. I'm talking about only the new homes. Is 80,000 homes only in these 2 cities. So it's a very big opportunity. An average home would from a kitchen, modular kitchen, to a basic interiors, basic ceiling, and wall coverings and things like that, would end up spending anything for 8 to 10 lakh rupees. This is, I'm talking about a very, very small budget. If you have to do a modular kitchen and other things. So if you do the multiplication of this, say 80,000 homes into that 7 to 8 lakh rupees kind of a revenue, humongous amount of business model we're talking about. But there is currently no single place where you can go and get all your interior solutions in a single place. So what he's trying to do is create the solution. These solutions are available in Dubai. If you go to Dubai or you go to any other mature market, there is actually Dubai, there are multiple showrooms like these where you get from everything, from your basics, interior design, to furniture, to light fittings, to every single solution, single point you get that. It creates a great amount of convenience for an audience. And that's what Mr. Basu is trying to do. So he's also open to consider, if somebody has, say, a good property and wants to make the investment, but doesn't like to be involved in management, he will be very keen, Mr. Basu would be very keen to look at and supporting that management through a FOCO kind of a model. And so if you have further questions, please go ahead and continue to ask on Q&A box. I will like to invite Sonia for her remarks and try to take some more questions from Mr. Basu.
Sure. I think we have kind of answered some question related to the business model, but there's some more which are coming in, and some have maybe even of first and foremost, the kind of model that we have talked about, like this, and typical, what is the gestation time for somebody to get maybe the first client on board? This being the first one. And second, a lot of people want to see maybe some existing store pictures, what an outlet looks like, some videos of the work. If that is readily available, maybe we can even flash that to all the audience. But if we can start with something on what kind of revenue expectations one can have, because you've been running the business for many, many years in Bangalore, you understand the audience, you understand the clientele, and typical, what kind of average ticket size would one client give to the company?
See, I'll just talk about the average ticket size, and when I'm talking about the residential project, so as just now the Maria has said, that is the 7 lakhs is the average ticket size for the one project. So that is the one answer of your questions. And sorry, Sonia, can you repeat again the other things?
And what is the kind of revenue one can expect? And one is this, from an average revenue which can come from a franchise outlet. Second, how big is the gestation for somebody to bring the first business on board?
So bringing the first business on the board, that is, as we have already discussed, like first year, we only will be supporting for the marketing. So that will have, let's say that if you are talking about the Bangalore, if you are talking about the Hyderabad, so it will take no time to get the first business on board, because already we are having the strong marketing team. We do the digital marketing on the different area basis, and we get the clients through the digitally or through the references are also there, through the networking, we get the business. Now, see, when someone will be taking the franchises, if they will start in the first month about, let's say, 5 work, so 35 lakhs to 50 lakhs will be there per month, the turnover that will start with. And the going forward, I believe, I mean, here, whatever we are doing, it's like a 30 to 40 work in a month, what we do that in the residential projects. Also, we do the commercial. So in the Bangalore, there is a very vast area. So we divided into the 4 areas. So still, we are having, we have allocated some vendors who is doing in the, let's say, the East Bangalore, North Bangalore, that kind of area, we have divided it. So let's say we are there in the East Bangalore. So some South Bangalore people are doing, some people are attached with us, and they are doing minimum 10 projects in a month. So the ticket size, the average ticket size, which you are asking about, the 7 lakhs will be the minimum.
Okay. Would you want to pull on some videos that you want to show maybe to the investors? Any videos, any pictures of the outlet? How does it look like? One, if you already have that, maybe we can place. I see a lot of our viewers wanting to see some of them.
Okay. Let me. Yeah, let me post. Give me a minute. I'll just pull up very soon.
So Dave, you'll have to remove your presentation to show any video or picture.
So in the meantime, Mr. Basu gets it. As I said, this is a great concept, and you can also start small. You can also start with the city which you want to represent, and if you have some complementing business which you want to integrate with that, that's also good. And then you can move into a full blown showroom.
Another question which I want to take is on maybe the ROIs for a period of 5 years, which has been shown here. What is the term of the agreement you have with the partner?
Sonia, can I share this particular video?
You can. You'll have to remove your presentation first to show video. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Harsha, and I always wanted to have a dream kitchen for my new home. And Green Ray has really played a very important role in transforming my dream into reality. Especially this open kitchen, open shelving was a challenge, which with the help of Mr. Triloki and Mr. Vasu, we do it. I am Nirja, and this is my favorite place in my room. I sit here and read, and most of the time when I'm free, I come and sit here and see the beautiful flowers. And this is a room, it is filled with colors. Talk about the room. This is my meeting table, and here's a sofa, my favorite spot in the whole room. I have a shelf, and it's no ordinary shelf. It's called the Toy Paradise, where I showcase all my toys.
Uh, this one was a small presentation which, the client testimonials kind of things was there, which I just thought to share with you guys.
Interesting. So that was, I think, very helpful for people to understand the kind of work that has been done. Would you want to comment on the ROI and the agreement term, Mr. Singh? Because we saw the ROI which was mentioned on the slide as 5 years. What is the term of the agreement with the partner?
That's a 5-year what we were thinking about.
Any renders you have or any pictures of the store which you want to show, Mr. Basu?
At present in my laptop, that's not there.
Okay, no problem. So we will like our people who are interested to set up your one-on-one discussion with them, because this is a large investment and people have to go through a very detail in terms of what they need to do. Ideally, this is would be preferred for people who already have a property also. And what we can do is we can set up your one-on-one discussion with Mr. Basu in detail, so that you can go and understand the whole category, the kind of team and the capability they've built in, the kind of support they're going to provide you, the kind of return of investment you can get. As I said, it can be also, you can look at an option to start small. Mr. Basu, this would be also an option if say you are from a Vizag and you don't see a reason to put 85 big showroom. Can they start small with you also, with maybe the design studio concept alone?
I believe we can start with that, but only the things will be there like the transportation cost and all these things will be slightly the costing wise. So ROI will be slightly down.
So what is?
But yes, we can start with that.
Yeah, you can start with maybe a smaller, because a lot of people are shying away from investment. You can start smaller and use their, today all the materials are available. You can showcase on digitally and use integration with their digital capability. And as you build your database and as you build your revenue, then you can put up the full showroom with that. So that's also, you can maybe start with a design studio in smaller cities, because a lot of people don't want to start a full blown showroom to begin with. While I think this is a great opportunity, looking at the housing coming in, creating a specialty interior departmental store. It's an interior departmental store. So everything in interiors, whatever you require, you will get it here, from design, as I said, from material supply and execution. Everything is taken care. There is nothing like that is available in the country. So it can be a good opportunity. But people who are interested should reach out to our business hotline number. I will share the business hotline number with you, which is coming on a chat box. 971-76-83838. This is our business hotline. This is specially designed by us to really see that if you have the interest and you have some location which suits the thing, and if you have any interest of going forward with the business, send your detailed profile. Don't just send your name. I always repeat, give your full profile, talk about a little bit about your background experience, because it's very important that the equally like the brands are coming and showcasing, spending 1 hour to showcase all your background. It's also important for you as coming as a potential partner, that you also showcase and your strength, that what you are and what is your background is. So it gives the brand also confidence that they are now talking to somebody who is very serious and realistic on the business. And we will be more than happy to organize your one-on-one discussion. We call the Discovery Day. Discovery Days are especially designed where we do one-on-one discussion between potential investor and the brand owner. So they both can really correlate, ask questions, sometimes difficult questions to each other to understand how the business model. End of the day, it's the money involved. So you need to really be checking what is right for you, what is not right for you. And once you both decide, Franchise India in no way influences that decision, and neither for a brand, neither for an investor. We are a facilitator. We just help you to really create an interface and give you the freedom to ask as many questions you want to do that. And once you feel that this is right opportunity for you, then you can obviously go ahead and putting a right contracts and so forth. So now I'd like to bring in Mr. Basu to maybe say his final words to our audience and talk about, Mr. Basu, over to you for your last remarks and anything you want to share on the industry or anything which you want to really give your perspective on.
Thanks, Mr. Maria. I would like to share, and I would like to say the couple of things to the new entrepreneur in this lineup of the business. I came from the IT background, and when I entered here, IT people basically they need the very good services. They pay for that. What I have understood is like the people are not getting the complete satisfactions. Now, being the IT professional, I was not having the time. So my interior designer were calling me into the multiple places. And though myself and my wife both were working, and we together were not able to give the time. So there was a 1 day left, or I mean maximum or 2 days we can find it out the time. So here, with this model, with this integrated model, any design home can be done, maximum to maximum 1 and 2 client meeting. So if you are coming to this business, you are having a store, you can supply the materials from the stores, you will have the design team, you will have the designer who will design your home. They can give the presentation of the 3D and 2D, as well as the cut list, everything they can explain to you. So within 1 and 2 days of your time. So here we taken out the time, whatever the interior design are taking at present now. They just called me like earlier, like when I was building my home here, when I was not in this profession. So like almost daily the call used to happen. Okay, this particular item I didn't like it. I have not seen this particular item. So can I go to the multiple X places? Can I go to the Y places? Can I see my tiles? So those kind of things, if you'll remove it from the client, definitely the client will come over to you. So this is the best services model after a lot of analysis what we have found it. Do we have any questions here with anyone?
I think we do have. I think some people would like to connect with you. I see. I think there's Mr. Gupta. He wanted to have some more information, and I would request if we can maybe take our time out and have maybe one-on-one conversation. We also have. I see Mr. Umakant also reaching out to us. He wants to speak to you. So friends, I will request you please share your details a little bit about your profile, because if you come from relevant experience or maybe complementing businesses that you currently in, I feel that would be an added advantage for you to take a franchisee. And furnishing today has become very, very extremely, I would say, specialized. And customers, like Mr. Singh said, does not want the hassle of dealing with multiple suppliers, and rather they need a simplified process, which the company is trying to bring to all the customers. So I will request everyone, please share your information, and we'll reach out to Mr. Singh maybe in this week to set up a call between you and the company. And also do share any questions that you have which you think has not been answered, or maybe the clarity you need is little more than what has been addressed. We can have maybe a 30 minutes blocked with you to have a detailed one-on-one discussion. And I thank Mr. Gupta. We have taken a note of your number, and we'll also reach out to you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Vasu, and over to you, Archana, for your final remarks. And please reach out to our business hotline number. And also, if you want to be part of these webinars, because we do every day a new industry, new opportunity, please send message on this hotline, and please save the number in your phone. If you save the number, we will add you in a broadcast list, and we keep sending you every day a link for a new opportunity. So over to you, Archana.
Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for coming up today and presenting your business model to us. Thank you so much, all the attendees. Yes, you can reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. Share your suggestions, feedback, queries at this particular number. We'll definitely come back to you. You also can reach out to Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. That's the information we are sharing on screen. So our management team of Franchise India will definitely get back to you. We look forward to have you tomorrow for a great session. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, friends. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you very much.